Hey everybody, so this week we're going to make a cool custom-made wooden shifter knob for a truck for a customer. If you want to see how it was done, stick around. So I brought the little piece of maple to cut out. As you can see right here, I am at Rockler. Chris from A Glimpse Inside had said the other day on his Instagram stories that think about your local woodworking stores if you want to kind of like think outside the box for things you're making. Well, I have an order that's going to make, as you can see, it's very tiny. So we're going to see if we can just use their laser to cut out the little rabbit and the beagle on this rather than me trying to scroll saw it. So let's see how it goes. So hey everybody, so it's the next day. The shifter knob's been sitting for about 13 hours, so let's go see how it looks. Fingers crossed. So I don't know if you could tell in the video, but I guess the epoxy, I didn't do it right, so it ran down the side and it was kind of textured. I don't think you really could see it on camera, but you could feel it, so I didn't like the way it looked. So got it back on the lathe. Didn't film this, but I put it on the drill press, drilled a hole, and threaded it on to my mandrel where I make bottle stoppers. So I've already sanded it. We're gonna put CA finish on the whole thing and see how that does. So here we go.